Using Best Egg monthly payments is a smart financial decision that can help you manage your debt and improve your credit score. In this guide, we will walk you through the benefits and process of using Best Egg monthly payments. First, it is essential to understand what Best Egg is. Best Egg is a personal loan company that provides loans to individuals with fair to good credit. They offer competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. One of the main reasons to use Best Egg monthly payments is to consolidate debt. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates and high monthly payments, Best Egg can help you consolidate them into one loan with a lower interest rate and a lower monthly payment. This can help you save money on interest and reduce your financial stress. Another reason to use Best Egg monthly payments is to improve your credit score. By making regular monthly payments on time, you can demonstrate to lenders that you are responsible and creditworthy. This can help you qualify for better loan terms and lower interest rates in the future. To use Best Egg monthly payments, you will need to apply for a personal loan through their website. The application process is quick and easy, and you can receive a decision in as little as a few minutes. Once you are approved, you can choose your loan terms and set up your monthly payments. It is essential to make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. You can set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made on time. You can also make extra payments or pay off your loan early to save money on interest. In conclusion, using Best Egg monthly payments can be a great way to manage your debt and improve your credit score. By consolidating debt and making regular monthly payments, you can save money on interest and reduce your financial stress. Remember to make your payments on time and consider making extra payments or paying off your loan early to get the most out of your Best Egg loan.